All right, more practice. So Luke is 14 years old. He's 2 years younger than his brother Frank. The equation f minus 2 equals 14 gives Frank's age. So, how old is Frank? So if we are going to solve, so in that type of work there, I'm going to show it over here. F minus 2 equals 14. Now, we are going to have an imaginary line across that equal sign. To get the 2 to the other side, if we get the 2 to the other side here, we are going to have to do the inverse operation, or the opposite of subtracting 2. So we're going to be adding 2. So if you add 2 to this side, you have to add 2 to the other side. Negative 2 and a positive 2 equal 0. They cancel out. So we're left with f on that side. We're going to keep our equal sign. Then what's 14 plus 2? 16. So Frank's age is going to be 16 years old. So there it is, letter A. All right, let's take a look over here. So the inequality W is less than 1,300. Represents the weight limit in pounds, W for weight limit, of an elevator. Which is the solution of this inequality? So we don't even necessarily need to type work here, because which number, we're trying to figure out which number is less than 1,300. So let's see, 1,304, that's greater than. 1,414, that's bigger. 1,575, that's bigger. So our answer here, 1,239, is less than 1,300. So our answer is going to be A again. And that's it for the more practice. Great job.